Let us determine whether x minus 1 or x plus 1 is a factor of x raised to 100 minus 4x raised to 97 plus 3. We will let p of x equals this polynomial, x raised to 100 minus 4x raised to 97 plus 3. So in our first binomial, we have x minus 1. So if we are going to equate x minus 1 to 0, then our x is equal to 1. Using factor theorem, we have p of 1 is equal to 1 raised to 100 minus 4 times 1 raised to 97 plus 3. Okay, what we did was we only replaced x by 1. So p of 1 is equal to 1 raised to 100 is 1 minus 1 raised to 97 is 1 times 4, it's 4 plus 3. So we have p of 1, this is equal to 0. So what is the remainder? It is 0. So since our p of 1 is equal to 0, then what can we conclude? X minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial x raised to 100 minus 4x raised to 97 plus 3. If our second, if x plus 1 equals 0, then what would be x? So x is equal to negative 1. So just like we did in the previous solution here, we will replace x by negative 1. So p of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 raised to 100 minus 4 times negative 1 raised to 97 plus 3. So we have p of negative 1. Negative 1 raised to 100 is positive 1. So if our base is negative and the exponent is even, then the product is positive. Here, negative 1 raised to 97, that's negative 1. Since the base is negative and the exponent is an odd number. So negative 1 times negative 4, this is positive 4 plus 3. So adding all of this, we have p of negative 1 is equal to 8. So what can we conclude? So our remainder here is positive 8. So since the remainder negative 1 is not equal to 0, then we can say that x plus 1 is not a factor of the polynomial x raised to 100 minus 4x raised to 97 plus 3. Okay, so pwede ba natin tong i-verify using synthetic division? Yes, pwede. Yun nga lang, since ang ating degree ng polynomial ay 100th degree, then we need to insert many zeros and it is time consuming. For the third question, determine whether x plus 1 is a factor of the polynomial x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 3. For the solutions of this question, please PM it to me. Thank you.